Two major rivers in Manipur's Imphal Valley bridged their embankments, submerging large areas of farmland, residential localities and roads. Idril River overflowed at Khetragaon in Imphal East around at 3 a.m., while the Wangjing River surged above the danger level, inundating Sangayumpham and Wangjing areas in Thoubal district. According to the Water Resources Department, rivers including Imphal, Idril, Nambol and Thoubal were flowing above warning levels by Sunday evening. Kangpokpi recorded 44 millimeters of rainfall in 24 hours, while Saikul received 27 millimeters. Torrential rain since Saturday triggered flash floods, water logging and landslides across Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Ukhrul, None and Senapati districts, affecting over 1,000 families. Several houses, government buildings and agricultural fields in low-lying areas such as Santi Khongbal, Saijang, Sabungkho Kuno and Lamlai were submerged. Flood-affected families have been evacuated to relief centers, including the district sports complex in Wangjing, Thoubal, which itself was inundated. More than 100 residents are stranded at Yaripo Khoirom Mayai Lekai. Traffic along the Imphal to Ukhrul highway remains severely disrupted.